I've been dying to make over this bedroom for a while now, and I haven't really had the vision or that perfect spark of inspiration hit me until recently. And this room really needs to double as a bedroom and a guest room. I want to thank Birch Living for sponsoring this video, and we'll talk about them more later. So it's a small bedroom, but it is big enough. I did some measurements. It's big enough for a queen size bed. So first things first, we're going to put a queen size bed in here. And I found this cool frame on eBay, but they also sell it on Amazon. It was about $200. And it's a really cool dupe for a more expensive platform beds that I've seen. And it doesn't need a box spring, so it's going to give that minimalist vibe that I'm going for. It's the pine orange. It's kind of got like an orange wood to it, but I think they call it natural pine. I want to thank Birch Living for sponsoring this video. What is Birch Living? It's a premium mattress and a box company that makes mattresses and sleep products that are stylish, comfortable, and environmentally conscious. Their non-toxic mattresses are made right here in America and are crafted with organic and natural materials that have been sustainably sourced. Birch Luxe takes the comfort, luxury, and safety of the original Birch mattress to the next level. Crafted with 8 different layers of organic cashmere, organic wool, organic cotton, and 100% natural latex. It's specially created with breathability, cooling, and support in mind, and offers increased airflow and targeted zoned lumbar support. As the weather gets warmer this summer, the breathability of the natural materials keeps me cool and comfortable while I sleep. It was important for me to choose a Birch mattress that's made with organic and natural materials because I feel really hot when I sleep, so the organic materials keep me cool and regulate my body temperature. I also like that in addition to being a better mattress for me, Birch is committed to being better for the planet. I love that throughout the creation of their mattresses, Birch ensures that their materials are produced and harvested sustainably.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wow. Wow.
I ordered the Birch Luxe mattress, a premium upgrade to the original well-loved Birch natural mattress, and I've had it for a few weeks now, and the thing that I like most is that you just feel so supported, but it's also really soft. I love how easy it was to buy this versus going to a store, and the ease of setup was really great. I love my Birch Luxe mattress, and I think you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Birch. You can use the link below or go to birchliving.com/black sheep for $400 off your mattress plus 2 free pillows. We'll see how many OG Black Sheep House fans I have out here, because I did this dresser makeover a while back and held on to it because I wanted to use it in some room in my house. I just wasn't sure where, and this ended up being the perfect spot for it. So I'm just using some really cheap $2 a can Durham's Rock Hard water putty that many of you guys in my comments recommended to me in a video like a year ago, and I've loved it ever since. It's really great and affordable. This dresser was not solid wood, even though it looks like it's wood here. It's got a laminate or a veneer on it, and it needed quite a bit of patchwork, as you can see, but I still have plenty left in that can, and did all that patchwork and then just sanded it down. Then I'm using some Ovation Plus by Sherwin Williams HGTV paint that you can find at Lowe's. It's pretty affordable. This color is called Jute and Cotton, and it's just this really pretty tan color. Like I said, I've got the entire video of this in complete furniture makeover on my channel. I'll make sure to link that if you want to check out all the details. I really love the look of washed linen, but it is a little bit pricier, so I decided to save some money and go with drop cloth just for the places that I'm going to be using it on this bed. It's not going to really touch your skin, so it doesn't really matter if it's a little bit more rough. The one from Walmart is actually the softest one I've found as far as drop cloths go, but this one was from Home Depot and not as soft, but it was okay. You know, it worked in a pinch. This video is getting way too long, and I'm going to be doing a video of the entire bed making and how to make it nice and fluffy and look good in pictures and style and stage it. So I'll make sure to link that video as soon as I get it posted. It'll be my next video up. And but yeah, it's time to take a look at some before and afters of this bedroom. Are you ready? So there is the before, and here's the after. I'm so proud. I'm so happy. I just want to spend all my time in here. It's literally a dream bedroom. Those glass side tables, I didn't get to talk about those earlier, but I got those thrifting. Of course, this Jute and Cotton painted dresser video on my channel if you want to watch the whole thing there. A thrifted bowl. These hardware I'll make sure to link on Amazon. The lamps, we made those over. And I'm going to do a whole video on the bedding and how to do that vibe on your bed and how to make it look fluffy and all that good stuff. Got the Birch mattress, that bed frame, this mirror in the corner just from Walmart. It's one of those $8 mirrors, cheapo. And I think the plant is from Walmart too, the little fake plant. And I am just blown away by this bedroom. I'm in love with it. There's a skinny chest on the side here, that black chest right there. I have a whole video on that dresser makeover that I hope many of you will check out. I have a lot of furniture refinishing videos on my channel, and I am venturing into some bedroom makeovers like this one. So if you like this kind of content, you may want to stick around. And thanks so much for my loyal subscribers. You guys are the real MVPs and make these kinds of videos possible. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.